From this video, you will learn how this video on YouTube made apparently $27,000, spending a few hours of their times, and why you should never try it. Instead, what you should do to make $2.98 million by helping paying customers who have already spent money using their credit cards. This is exactly what we do using our artificial intelligence software Epic. Epic is free for you, link is in the description. I will show you what we do to make money and how somebody made $2.98 million using the same exact strategy. So let us begin. This system is completely beginner friendly. It can be done from anywhere in the world with any experience level. Even if you're a complete beginner and you don't have a website, you don't have a hosting server, you don't have a mailing list, and you don't have social following, you still can do it starting today. And it can be done from anywhere in the world, and you can get paid via PayPal, Stripe, bank transfer, and digital currency like crypto. In order to make money, we make simple videos, not like this video with camera and microphone and record our voice. No, we don't do that. On our other channels, we use our software Epic. Epic writes the scripts for us using artificial intelligence. Then turn the script text into natural sounding voiceover. And Epic helps us make videos using images, text, and links. Epic is free for you, by the way, link is in the description. It takes just a few minutes to make videos using Epic. Before we begin, please hit the like button and share this video with your friends and family. Our goal of this channel is to help 100 million people in the next 10 years learn how to make money online, the easy way, the fast way, and the fun way. And we can no way do it without your help. All we need from you is a hit on the like button and share this video with your friends and family and social media contacts and everyone you know. This way your friends and family will love you more for sharing this awesome information. They will follow you and eventually they will become your first paying customers and clients. This is what happened to us. This is how we started, and this is how thousands of people started making money online. And it can happen to you as well. So go ahead, hit the like button and share this video with everyone. Oh, by the way, did you see somewhere at the bottom of the video, text is being generated. Somebody is typing as I'm speaking. This is an automatic voice to text software. The software transcribes my voice, my speech as I'm speaking. This is another way we make content without typing or without putting in effort. And you can have this software too for free. Link is in the description. Go grab this software. You can even use this software to offer transcription services and make money. Okay, now let's get back to this video, why I said not to try what they have tried. So this video is made using clips of the movie Lucy, and the background music is from Sia. The music name is Unstoppable. This seems to be a complete copyright infringement. This type of copyright infringement, no matter how good it is, demonetize your channel, and in the worst case, your account may get shut down. So all these 9.3 million views that could have made $27,000 from YouTube AdSense alone could all go in vain if there is a copyright infringement. So don't waste your time, money, and opportunity. Instead, do this and make money just like us. Look at this. We made $1,130. Now this is a random number from one of our accounts. And most people will look at the money first, but money is not the most important thing here. The most important figure is this, the visitors. 997 visitors. So what we have done is we basically solved problems of 997 visitors using simple videos just like this. Look at this. I searched with the keyword iPhone 13 Pro Max, and when I went to on YouTube, and when I went to the Shorts feed, look at the videos and look at the number of views on the videos. If you can't see it, let me read it for you. 335,000 views, 9.6 million views, 1.8 million views, 2.7 million views. These are the people who paid us money for solving their problems using simple information video like this. What we do is we solve simple problems within 1 minute time, and in our videos we ask the viewers to click the link in the description or in the first comment, and if the videos are on TikTok or Instagram, we ask visitors to click the link in the bio. They click, they find a better solution, and they buy. We make passive income. That's it. And because YouTube Shorts is a new feature for YouTube, YouTube is pushing the shorts and the shorts creators hard, sending millions of customers to them, which makes it super easy for marketers like us and you to make money. Now at the beginning, I talked about customers that help customers who are already paying money using their credit cards. Where are the customers? Look at this example. This is an Amazon listing of an iPhone 13 Pro Max clear cover. This cover has 7,000 ratings, so approximately 35,000 units were sold. At a price point of $35, they already made 6 figures selling this simple clear cover. Now look at this. First of all, it's being sold. Second, as an owner of iPhone 13 Pro Max, I know how passionate, obsessed, and emotional customers are about their iPhones. And that's why I bought a new cover. Look at this. My cover even has a built-in stand. And now I'm thinking of buying this one because it has some special features. So what are the features? This crystal clear cover does not get yellow over time, and it's military drop protection, shock-proof. With a little research, you can find iPhones break easily if they accidentally drop. So make a simple video around this problem, and at the end of the video, offer the solution to the problem as this product. And ask your viewers to buy this cover using the link in the description, in the comment, and in the bio. This is exactly what we do to make money online. We solve problems of the customers, they buy using our links, and we make simple money. Now I was talking about $2.98 million. Where is $2.98 million? Go to Udemy and search with the keyword iPhone and you'll find 1,388 results. What is this number? Well, Udemy is a place where people upload bundle of videos, and Udemy sell those bundle of videos as online courses. Udemy has 97 million customers buying courses, bundle of videos all the time. So there are 1,388 courses or bundles of videos that people are buying from Udemy. What are they? Let's look at this one here. This course is about iPhone photography. Take professional photos on your iPhone. And this course has 59,638 students who paid $49.99 each, making $2.98 million for the course creator. Now this number can be a little more or less, but you can see the potential. So while doing your research using Udemy, using YouTube, and learning about the problems of your customers, learn the topics that people are buying and sellers are selling and making money. Make videos around those topics, upload them on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, and ask your viewers to click the link in the description, first comment and bio. That link should be your Udemy course link. So from your little videos, you can sell affiliate offers just like this and your courses just like this and make $2.98 million. And they all start with solving problems of customers using simple tools like our software Epic. Epic link is in the description, go grab it. We just made a money-making Amazon product review using our artificial intelligence software Epic. First, I will show you the product review that we made, and then I will show you how we made it step by step. So let's begin.
Your brand new iPhone can break if it drops from your hand. We read an article on CNET.com that a drop from hip height can break the back glass of your iPhone. But there is hope. CASEKOO iPhone 13 Pro Max case can protect your phone from damage. It comes with military-grade protection, equipped with Flex Impact Cushion Tech to disperse severe shocks. Protect your iPhone from damage. Get yours from the link in description or from the link in the first comment.
Now I'm going to fast forward and quickly show you how we made the whole product review in just a couple of minutes. We basically copied, pasted texts whenever we needed. Whenever we need the image, we simply copy the image URL, paste it right here, hit enter, and immediately the image is on the canvas. How cool is that? Pan it, rotate it, make it smaller, bigger, do whatever you want. You want to add some text to describe something? Copy from anywhere, go to the text section of Epic and just paste it. Then simply click the add text button and the text is here, and you can do all kind of formatting, rotating, panning, zooming as you want, change font if you want, change color to meet your taste. To add a voiceover, go to the audio section, text to audio section, click the add button, give it a title, choose type of voiceover and the voice artist of your choice. Add the script, edit it if you want, add, delete, do whatever you want. Whenever you are happy, click the submit button and your voiceover is ready. So awesome. Go to the text audio section, click add, and the voiceover is added to the clip. And formatted the text. Whenever we need image, simply copy the URL of the image, go to the image section, paste it, and the image is added. Then we take screenshots. This is a free screenshot grabbing software we use, which is basically a Google Chrome extension. And here is the customer testimonial section. We just added customer testimonials because it has such an awesome customers. We customize the text whenever we need, however we want it, just to match our taste, to make it as nice, as professional as possible. Basic editor, but very powerful. It has everything you need. Now, when we want to add a voiceover, we just need to grab a text from anywhere, add the text and turn it into a natural voiceover. To make it natural and a real voiceover, sometimes we add, sometimes we edit, and sometimes we use our AI, built-in artificial intelligence, to modify the text and then take that text, put it in the text to voice section and turn it into a voiceover. There are total 6 sections and it took total 10 to 15 minutes of your time to make a money-making, persuasive product review. And whenever you are done, simply click the render button and the video will be rendered in the background. So did you like our video? We put a lot of effort on it, so you learn how to make money online, the easy way, the fast way, and the fun way. And our goal of this channel is to help 100 million people learn how to make money online in the next 10 years. And we can no way achieve that without your help. For that, all we need from you is a hit in the like button and share this video with your friends, family, and social media contacts. This way you help them learn how to make money online and they will love you, they will follow you, and eventually they will become your first paying customers and clients. And if you subscribe to our channel and switch on the notification bell button, YouTube will notify you as the most important viewer when we will upload our next money making video. And we will see you in the next video.